Excuse me? Are you British? Oh no. Oh no 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 no. Hatsune Miku does not talk to British people.
Hi everyone, welcome to the HitPaw channel. Do you want to sound like
Hatsune Miku on Roblox, just like in the opening of this video?
If yes, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to achieve that. Let's get started. First, we need to download and install an AI voice changer, and I highly recommend HitPaw Voice P. You'll find the download link in the description below. Once it's installed, open HitPaw Voice P and you'll land on the setup page. Select your real microphone and speakers, ensure you can hear yourself clearly, and then click Continue followed by Done. This will take you to the real-time voice interface. Here, you can explore a variety of voice effects. While Hatsune Miku's voice is coming soon,
Hatsune Miku is in the house!
For this demo, we'll use Anya's voice. Don't forget to turn on Hear Myself so you can preview how it sounds.
Now you have Anya's voice, and you can use the voice to chat with others on Roblox, Discord, or other platforms.
Now, let's use your new voice in Roblox or any other game. Simply go to Roblox, select HitPaw Virtual Audio as the voice input device, and enjoy playing Roblox with your new voice. And that's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more awesome AI voice tools. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.